Are you looking for the best 3D printer for miniatures? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer for miniatures on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Longer LK5 Pro Upgraded 3D Printer. The Longer LK5 Pro Upgraded 3D Printer is a cutting-edge 3D printing device that stands out for its enhanced features and user-friendly design. One of its notable attributes is that it comes 90% pre-assembled, minimizing the setup time and allowing users to start their 3D printing projects more quickly. The printer boasts a large printing area, providing ample space for creating sizable and intricate designs. Equipped with a dual blower kit, the Longer LK5 Pro ensures efficient cooling during the printing process, contributing to the overall print quality. The inclusion of a 4.3-inch color touchscreen simplifies the user interface, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. This feature allows users to control and monitor the 3D printing process with ease, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 2. Anycubic KOBRA Plus 3D Printer. The Anycubic KOBRA Plus 3D Printer is a versatile fused deposition modeling (FDM) printer designed for 3D printing enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced features, it stands out as a reliable tool for creating intricate and detailed three-dimensional models. One notable feature of the printer is its 25-point auto-leveling capability, which ensures precise and accurate printing by automatically adjusting the print bed. The 3D printing size of the Anycubic KOBRA Plus is impressive, measuring 300 by 300 by 350. This generous build volume allows users to produce larger prints, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including prototyping, design, and small-scale manufacturing. Number 3. SUNLU 3D Printer S9 3D Printer. The SUNLU 3D Printer S9 is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed to meet the demands of high-precision printing for fused deposition modeling (FDM) technology. With a versatile range of support for 3D filaments and the capability to print at speeds ranging from 20 to 250 mm per second, this printer offers a dynamic and efficient solution for a variety of 3D printing needs. One of the key features of the SUNLU 3D Printer S9 is its high-precision printing capability, allowing users to achieve intricate and detailed prints with accuracy. The printer supports a wide range of 3D filaments, providing users with the flexibility to choose materials that best suit their specific project requirements. Number 4. Sovol SV07 Plus 3D Printer. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about the Sovol SV07 Plus 3D Printer, as it might be a model released after that date. However, based on the context you provided, it seems related to 3D printing technology and Sovol's line of 3D printers. The Sovol SV07 Plus might be an enhanced version of their previous SV06 model, which is known for features like an all-metal hot end, planetary dual-gear direct drive, 25-point auto-leveling, and a 32-bit silent board. These features suggest a focus on precision, reliability, and ease of use in the 3D printing process. Number 5. Sovol SV06 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 3D Printer is a cutting-edge and feature-rich device designed for enthusiasts and professionals engaged in 3D printing. This printer is equipped with an all-metal hot end, ensuring durability and versatility in handling various filament types. The inclusion of a planetary dual-gear direct drive system enhances precision and control during the printing process, enabling users to achieve high-quality prints with intricate details. One notable feature of the Sovol SV06 is its advanced 25-point auto-leveling capability. This ensures that the print bed is perfectly leveled, contributing to consistent and reliable prints. The 32-bit silent board enhances the overall user experience by minimizing operational noise, making it suitable for quiet environments such as home or office spaces.